Everyone, this is KJP Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng reaction video sa Kairain, which is the Pbb Gen11 Kairain. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this kasi ang dami talaga nagko-comment sa akin kasi usually ginagawan ko lang is JM, Piang, Jarlet, gano'n. Ngayon kay Kairain tayo. And actually, to be honest with you, si Kai talaga, nakikita ko na talaga siya na may potential talaga. Pero si Rain kasi before, nung una ko siyang nakita sa PBB, parang discreet pa siya eh, tahimik pa siya. Pero nakita ko na yung potential niya dyan. Yung, alam mo yung the way sila, yung kanilang critical thinking, grabe. So, without further ado, let's watch this video. Tsaka ang ganda ng fashion ni Rin, in fairness. Sino kaya nag-style? Ang outfit niya talaga, ang ganda. Okay. What's next? What they see? Dear, naka-akbay doon si Rin. Naka-akbay doon si Rin. Kairain Fiang. Ay, si Kai yun. Si Kai, ang sa picture. Okay. Okay, what's next? First, wait. Kai, who do you wanna work? Wait, Asia. Okay. Cutie. Mga Englishera pa sila. Oh my God. Clingy talaga si Rain. Clingy talaga si Rain kay ano. Kay Kai. Layag na layag sila, ha? Layag na layag sila, dear. Hindi mo kaya.
My favorite. Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna reveal to you my favorites. The videos of my favorites. Because I saw your mga ano. I saw you guys.
Mga edits.
I saw your videos ba? Your mga edits.
Hindi pa nakauwi si Kai sa Cebu, no?
I loved it. I saw your edits, tapos I was like, I never knew you guys were making edits of us. Kaya I'm gonna show you my favorite edits.
Show it.
Or favorite clips na lang na you guys ano.
Hindi mo ma-share screen. Kasi gusto ko din makita, actually. Yan yung favorite niya.
Oh my God.
Si Binsoy. Favorite niya si Binsoy. Yan yung favorite clip niya. Okay. No.
That's so funny.
Okay.
That's so funny, bro.
What's next? Ito. Layag ang dalawa, oh. Wait lang, may nag-message.
Ooh, Rain is active. Ayos, naka-live na
Rain
naman.
is active. Hindi sila nag-live together. Ay, wala. Hindi sila nag-live together. Okay. Ay, wait. Grabe talaga. Ay, naka-holding hands. Alam mo, gusto kong kiligin sa kanila, but the problem is minor silang dalawa parehas. Sirin, nagkisirin. I cannot contain myself right now. Seriously. I cannot contain myself right now. Literal. Pwede naman sanang kiligin, kaso minor. Kinikilig talaga ako sa kanila, actually. Kinikilig talaga ako sa kanila. Kaya din matagal ako bago gumawa ng reaction video. Kasi minor. Okay. What's next? Ay, wala na music. Ay, ito. Nang lumabas na sila sa bahay. Okay. Ay, oh my God, I love the song. At ito pala si Kai. Ang ganda talaga ng fashion statement niyan. Kai, ni Rin. Ay! I'll wrap it. Keisha.
You said me. I said you.
I said you. Eh? Ate Kai? Alam mo, akala ko talaga sila ni JM magiging partner sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Sa true lang. Sa totoo lang, walang eme.
My aunt told me to just keep it straight.
Yeah.
Keep it straight, baby.
Keep it straight, baby. I love that. Tayong magpunta.
Rain and I made the song. It's called Bet. Like, bet ko siya, bet mo ba ako?
Bet ko siya, bet mo ba ako? Tapos gusto ko yung reaction ni Kai, ni Rain, yung wow, para sila ng mama niya. Cutie. Ang galing ng mga edits ng Kairain, in fairness. Tsaka ang tagal. Best in TikTok sila. Wait, what they say? Sino si girl? Sino si girl? Si Kai. Si Kai. Oo, nakita ko na si Kai. Ay, wait. Sorry. Oo. Tapos yun yung sa phone din. Okay.
I said it was rain. Sabi ko si Rain. Talaga, hanggang ngayon.
Ay.
Kami pa rin ni Rain.
Kami pa din ni Rain.
It's nice.
It's nice. Okay. I love this. Last one tayo. Kasi mag-edit sa din ako. Ay, napanood ko na to. Ay, wala. Wait lang. Ay, ito. Oh my God. Seriously? Okay. Oh. Tapos, oh my God. Oh my God, why like this? Bakit may pakit o nahuli ni Jazz? Oh my God. Dear, ano ba? Oh my God, I love. Ang galing ng Kairain gumawa ng edits actually. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. This is Kairain Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!